The international game that I decided to do was fencing. Fencing has been around for thousands of years, and it started as a form of military training. Um, it is believed that it originated in Italy and in Germany. There are a lot of claims that it originated in Spain, but for the sake of this project, I'm going with Italy and Germany because that's what the Olympic Society agrees on. Now, the objective of the game is to use your weapon to strike your opponent while avoid being hit. And in this game, there are three different types of swords. There's the foil, the épée, and the saber. And each sword requires different types of strikes to the body in order to get points. The field of play, you see it right there. And then going back to the swords, you see on the right corner here the different strike zones for these swords. This is a screenshot of the USA official fencing website. We have the protection. There's a lot of protection for you to wear. There's the jacket, shoes, socks, masks, gloves, an underarm protector. Then you have trousers, a chest protector, and finally what goes on top is a lame. That's a conductive jacket that senses the strikes and it records all the strikes received in a scoring box. And then this is winning, usually striking the torso or the neck. If you hit the hand, it's not registered as a hit. And something that I learned, because I thought that fencing was just with one sword, but no, there are three specific swords that require striking the body in specific places in order to get the points. So it's not as easy as it looks.